What's up everyone, Michael here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this. It's a Gotway Msp Pro, the high-speed variant from ewheels. So I got it yesterday really, and I've been waiting to do an unboxing, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to record it while I'm at it. So a quick, should I say, my experience with riding the wheels. This is the only experience that I have so far. It's the 9.1. So I've been riding it for the last 2 months. I started riding the wheel in April 3rd, and right now is what, 6th of June? Yep. So far, that's the best wheel ever, because that's the only one that I have ridden so far. I have roughly almost 150 miles on it, but I could only do so much with this wheel, so I had to pre-order a wheel that I was gonna use it for the things that I wanted to use it for. So I had my, should I say, requirements for a wheel that I wanted, and I went with the high-speed version, not the high-torque version. So folks, let's get to it. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside the box. Yes. That's how it looks like, guys. So nice. So that's the manual. Basically everything is written in Chinese, so if you speak Chinese or want to learn Chinese, knock yourself out. That's gonna come in handy. And then here's the charger. It's a 3 amp 100 volts charger, that one over there. And if you order from ewheels, they send you this. I think they are wrist guards. When I was riding the 9, but I was using my motorcycle gloves. I've never put on stuff like this before. Like I say, I'm just getting started with this whole. So I guess when you fall, if you fall, or when you fall, you slide with it, because it's pretty hard plastic. I think this is cute. This is nice, you know. And also a whole bunch of business cards. First thing that I've looked at is the speakers over here. If you hit something, let's say you're doing off-road and a stick can poke this really quick and it's not gonna be working anymore. They should somehow cut, but I'm gonna do a DIY cover project on it. They call this the Nikola pedals. This is my first wheel. I've never had any Gotway, so I don't know what Nikola pedals are. I've just seen pictures of it. So I've seen videos of other YouTubers, and they talk about the fan kicking in. It's quiet so far. The fan is not on. And I've realized the pedals, the larger pedals, now I see why they are much bigger. I saw a picture of an original Gotway. I think it's a 2500 with the original pedals. It fits inside this well thingy over here on the side. But with the larger pedals, it sticks out. I'm gonna take more pictures, much detailed pictures, and post it towards the end of the video. I like it. Like guys who have been riding these wheels for 2 years, 3 years, different variants of Gotway, they can compare wheels. To me, this is my first Gotway, so whichever way it performs, that's the best that I can ever get to know, until if I ever ride a different wheel other than these two. But so far I like the quality. It looks like it's ready to go. It looks like it's like, where do you want us to, what do you want us to do, where do you want us to go, you know, like it's ready. So I've seen videos of guys testing the kill switch. It spins whichever direction you lean it. So if you lean it forward, it spins super slow, so it doesn't like stop, and you can literally feel the motor spinning. Yeah. So let's hook up the phone to it and do a little bit of okay guys, so I have the phone connected to the Gotway Music. That's what it says. And now I'm gonna play something to kind of get the hang of it, to kind of.
He is the life of parties he has never attended. If he were to punch you in the face, you would have to fight off the strong urge to thank him. Sharks have a week dedicated to him. He is the most interesting man in the world.
I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. Stay thirsty, my friends.
Let's try another one. It's much louder.
He wouldn't be afraid to show his feminine side if he had one. His mother has a tattoo that reads, Son. At museums, he's allowed to touch the art. He is the most interesting man in the world.
I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. Stay thirsty.
Before this, the MSX 100 volt was the king of speed, so I don't know, I'm not gonna compare it to that because I don't have it. So that's the data I've given you guys. I'm gonna take pictures of the pedals and the basic dimensions of the wheel, and post the pictures towards the end of the video, like I say. And I'm gonna do another DIY video on how I'm gonna cover the wheel in like a few minutes, so check it out. It's gonna be on part 2 of the video before I take it out for a ride. So yeah, you make of that whatever you want, you know. 60 miles an hour, guys, no load, but I'm not gonna be pushing it past 40 miles an hour. I don't know, I can't say that, at least not yet. So guys, if you made it this far in the video, thanks. If you like my content and any other content that I'll be posting, you know, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. До свидания.